Hello friends, this is David Trivedi and today I am going to teach you how to create a 3D model of nut bolt. So this 3D structure we will create in AutoCAD. So let's open AutoCAD. Now we want to create a 3D structure, so that's why we have to select a workspace 3D modeling from workspace setting, this one. So currently my workspace is in 3D model. Now I want to create M16 size, standard size nut bolt. So first of all I am giving here command POL for polygon, number of sides 6 because I want to create hexa nut. Apply center point, select inscribed command and give. I want to create a M16 size nut, so that's why I am giving here radius 8. My 2D polygon is ready. Now I am applying here extrude command, EXT, enter, to convert it in 3D, and I am giving it a height of 8 mm. Okay, so my head is ready, but still the structure is not perfect because I want to apply blending on the corner of this head. So to make this process easier, I'm convert my visual style in 2D wireframe. To convert your visual style, just apply VS, enter, and select 2D for 2D wireframe. Now select a sphere. I want to create a sphere on the top surface of this head and perfectly at the center. So I am giving here M2P sub command, which means mid between 2 point. So select first corner point and select exactly opposite corner point of top surface. Now apply radius of this sphere to the midpoint of bottom edge of your polygon. Now select your sphere, copy it. To copy, apply copy command, CO, enter, polygon. Now select your sphere, copy it. To copy, apply copy command, CO, enter. Select center point, drag it to the downside and copy this sphere at the downside bottom. Because my head height is 8 mm, press escape, apply intersection command, IN, select all structure and press enter. So my head is ready with perfect blending. You can see it in realistic mode. VS, enter, R, enter. Okay, copy for my nut structure. Now I want to create a thread structure of 4 mm base radius. So first of all, I will select a cylinder, radius of 3, height of 50. Now helix command for my thread structure, helix, helix, select center point, apply base radius 4, top radius also 4. I want to apply pitch value. So if you want to select pitch value, you have to select this option, turn height, and to select turn height option you have to apply H, enter. Now I am giving here distance between turns, which is my pitch value, 1 mm, and total height 50, because my cylinder is at the height of 50 mm. Okay, you can see here this helical structure is in 2D wireframe. If you want to convert it in 3D structure, you have to sweep any 2D object on this 2D structure. So I'm going to make a 2D polygon with number of sides 3, center point, inscribed option, and apply approximately radius. Now I will make a line of 0.99 mm. Because my thread pitch value is 1 mm, I will scale my polygon, this polygon, to the 1 mm scale on this line. But if I will scale this polygon to the perfect size of 1 mm, it will intersect itself on this structure. So that's why I am giving here length of this line 0.99 mm. Okay, now scale this polygon. To scale it, apply SC, enter. Select, apply reference method, select reference points on your object. Now select new point by applying P, enter on your reference object. So my polygon is ready to sweep. Now I want to sweep this polygon normally to my helical path. So I am converting my plan to top to front. So to convert your plan, apply UCS, enter, and select your plan, FR, enter. Now sweep command, SWEEP, sweep, enter. Select your object, enter, and select your path. Okay, you can see here my object is on my path. VS, enter, 2D wireframe. I will stretch my cylinder to the end point of my helix of 3D structure like this. Now to create a threads in your cylinder, apply subtract command, because I want to subtract this helix structure from my cylinder. So apply SU, enter. First of all, select your cylinder. Select your cylinder very carefully. Press enter and then select helical 3D structure. Okay. VS, enter. For realistic, R, enter. You can see here your threads are ready. But at the bottom and at the top. These threads are not in proper way. So to clear these corners, I am giving here chamfer command, CHA enter, select an edge where you want to apply chamfer, press enter, apply chamfer distance. Because of my pitch value is 1, I am giving here chamfer distance 1, second chamfer distance is also 1, and one more time select an edge. So you can see here my top is perfectly ready. Same procedure for the bottom edge. CHA enter, select an edge, apply chamfer distance 1, second distance also 1, one more time select an edge and press enter. Okay, this is ready. Now apply home, right click, parallel. To put this head on my thread structure, move. Before that, I am converting my usage plan to the top. Select head from the bottom center. You can filter your selection. Face, it will only select a center point of face of this structure. Okay, so this is ready. Now apply union command U and I and select both objects to create it in one unit. So this is ready. Copy this from the center to the center because I want to create threads in my bolt. Move it slightly to the upper side and one more time. Okay, let's first of all create hole in this structure. Radius of 4. Apply subtract command, SU enter, select main object, enter, and select your secondary object, enter. Okay, now put it on the structure. Move it to the upside. Okay, now one more time apply subtract. Select main object, enter, select your secondary object. So threads in your nut is ready. Move it. If you can't access any snap point on your 3D object, you can convert it in Visual 2D style. Put it on your structure and move it downward. Okay, so you can see here your nut bolt 3D structure is ready. Now if you want to create 2D view of this 3D structure, you can apply flat sort command, FLATSHOT, create. So you can see here your 2D structure is also ready. This is your 2D ISO view, and this is your 2D front view. 3D view, 2D ISO view, and 2D elevation. So thank you friends. If you have any kind of query related to AutoCAD or doubts, you can just mail me your queries on my mail ID, which is javik_autocad@gmail.com.